Yeah.
Honorable Speaker, I think we cannot allow that charade to continue when you refer men as clueless. It is completely out of order, and Bensouda should withdraw and apologize. There is no way men can be clueless.
Order. I order. Order, members. Order. Order, members. Order. Order, members. I know two distinguished lady MPs who look for any slight opportunity to be rowdy. But this is not the moment. If you are pursuing your rights, pursue them orderly. When you shout at the top of your voice, you lose the argument. I'll give only two more, and then we close. Zamzam. Yes, Wanjala. Mama Zamzam, take your seat. Yes, Wanjala.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, even from the Bible, Mr. Speaker, whenever a woman asks for something, is given. Mr. Speaker, this is not something to be debated.
Which Bible are you quoting?
Mr. Speaker, Genesis.
Just go on and tell us that's your fertile imagination.
Mr. Speaker, these women, remember, they also occupy very big constituencies. I honestly and kindly request you, Mr. Speaker, to stop the debate and give order to the person who deducted their money to return that money immediately.
Zamzam. Zamzam. Give.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Spika. Mheshimiwa Spika, kama mama Mombasa, leo nimetamaushwa sana Mheshimiwa Spika. Watu wetu wameweza kuapply pesa za ngafu. Ni vikundi ambavyo rais wetu wa taifa alisema anataka kuinua uchumi. Na rais akatuongezea pesa sisi kina mama ili ziweze kusambaa mashinani. La kusikitisha Mheshimiwa Spika, wanawake hasa kina mama 47 katika bunge hili wamedharauliwa sana. Juzi hapa nilimuuliza waziri wa fedha, hizi pesa zilikatwa vipi? Akasema zilikatwa hapa. Tukija kuangalia hapa, hazikukatwa hapa Mheshimiwa Spika, zimekatwa kule treasury Mheshimiwa Spika. Mimi tunataka niwaelezee wa Kenya, hawa kina mama 47 mnaoona leo bungeni, wakija kule mashinani, mimi naomba muwaelewe pesa zao zimekatwa. Kama kuna groups zilikuwa zimeapply ngafu, na waomba mjue grupu nyingi sana zitakosa ngafu, musiweze kuwapiga hawa kina mama kule mashinani. Lakini awali ya yote Mheshimiwa Spika, mimi naomba waziri wa fedha aturegeshe 500 million zetu ambazo amekata. Na mimi naomba waziri wa fedha, manake tumeona hata imekuwa advert kwenye gazeti Mheshimiwa Spika, tuko kina mama 47. Lakini advert imewekwa kwa gazeti, mambo ya sanitary towels wameweka counties 17 peke yake. Sasa kule kwetu Mombasa hakuna, ijionekana. Watasema mama Zamzam amekula pesa Mheshimiwa Spika. Leo huyu kwa Busia ataambiwa amekula pesa Mheshimiwa Spika. County ni kubwa, pesa yetu ni ndogo, badala tuongezewe tunafinywa. Rais alisema atatetea kina mama, na leo mimi namuomba rais kwa unyenyekevu, una power, una nguvu, muite waziri wa fedha aje turegeshe pesa zetu, tuingie mashinani, tufanye kazi ili kazi yako ionekane. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Spika.
Thank you, good ladies. You have made your point. Let me now ask the finance chair. Chairman budget, but chairman before that, yes, Jen Kagiri. No trade unionism here.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I serve as the chairperson of the 47 county MPs And it is my honor to actually take the House through why the women are dressed the way they are. They are dressed in pink and they are dressed in black. Black to mourn the deduction of their money, which I think was a great injustice to us and an injustice to the whole country. Honorable Speaker, pink stands for the color pink, which is for NGAF, the National Government Affirmative Action Fund. Honorable Speaker, you have told us we don't have to be loud, we can just speak softly and make our actions be heard. Honorable Speaker, we have been decent and polite for the last 2 years. It seems that has not worked for us. Honorable Speaker, this afternoon we are requesting you to humbly indulge us because we have decided we are going to now start using our legs. From here, we are exiting the chamber to the National Government Affirmative Action Fund, and then we go to the Treasury Office to follow up on where our money went. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and I hope you have granted us the permission. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
The chairman of budget. Yes, Kainan. On the same issue? Yes. Give Honorable Kainan the mic.
Mr. Speaker, there is a reason why, and I speak here as a person who participated in the drafting, formulation, and adoption of the current constitution. And there is a reason why the framers then decided to have special seats for our ladies. It didn't come out of the blue. It came as a result of the historical marginalization that has taken place, both the post-independent and pre-independent Kenya, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, it's not fair to deny them a right that has been granted through a legislative framework. Mr. Speaker, I want to appeal to the Mandarins in Treasury to be considerate when they are dealing with certain sensitive issue. This right has already been given. Removing is not fair. Mr. Speaker, you also know that our ladies are the majority voters in our country. They are the majority in the population, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to appeal to my chair here. Even as a member, I feel ashamed. Let me tell you the truth. Out of a budget of 4.7 trillion, denying our ladies 500 million in the middle of the budget, it's not fair. Mr. Speaker, I want to plead with you. Direct the chairman budget to urgently find a mechanism to reinstate these provisions so that our ladies are not subjected to what they are going through. And in future, Mr. Speaker, because we are all in this political arena, we should be careful with certain decisions that we make. This is a right. Please don't leave it like that. Demand for more. Demand for more allocations. That is the only way you can represent the 47 counties that you are represented. I support your cause.
Atandi.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I am represented in this House by a very able women rep, Dr. Christine Ombaka of Siaya. And Honorable Speaker, I've seen the amount of work that has been done in Siaya courtesy of NGAF. And therefore, I would be the last person to participate in deducting funds that are meant for NGAF. I want to say, Honorable Speaker, that I agree and support the sentiments by my lady colleagues, and that as a matter of responsibility, I'm going to convene a meeting with the National Treasury with a view to considering using Article 223 to avail resources for NGAF that were deducted. Honorable Speaker, having said that, I want to tell my lady colleagues that budget making is a role of this House. Treasury does not make the budget. Budget is made here. And that when these deductions happened, they happened under the leadership of your colleague who was running